Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I will be going to the Ride Wave concert. So yeah, y'all, just tap in. Let's get into the fit real quick. Hold on. This cute corset and these shorts. I guess I'm gonna just wear the white purse. And I got some black boots that I'm gonna wear. So yeah, this is the little simple little fit. It's cute, but it's just real simple as well. So yeah, it's real sexy. It's giving grimy sexy basically. So yeah, this is my little fit that I'm wearing, y'all. And y'all see the hair? Y'all see that color back there? Yeah, get into it. Yeah, it looks so good. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna get ready to go because it's 6:58. It's finna be 7 o'clock and I'm already late. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get there. Bye y'all. I'm putting this on my vlog. We just left the highway concert. It was so good. Y'all, I was in a fight because somebody stole my phone, but they stole my case to my phone. Well, they did steal my phone. They just turned it in, but they stole my case, so they're still like stealing my phone with their broke ass. But yeah, so I don't got no case for my phone now. I gotta get a new one. And yeah. Oh, 12:45. Y'all, these bitches stole my phone, and then they had the nerve to turn in my phone, but they took my phone case, and then they left my ID that was in my phone case. Like, that's so lame, and that's so fucking roachy. Like, bitch, waiting on our food right now because we hungry. Like, we hunger starving, ready to eat. So I don't know what he ordered, but he ordered something. And I'm gonna eat my food. And y'all, my feet hurt so bad right now. Yeah. Ooh. So yeah. But Broadway is so big, so fat, it's crazy, y'all. But he did so good. He did so good. And then my man Tusi. Yeah, we got our food with burritos. Hope y'all enjoying this vlog so far. And y'all just stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for supporting. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curse was gonna sit